Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is The Sean Show. Today I'm going to share a relatively new MLM and network marketing opportunity in Nigeria. With that said, let's dive in. So it's a very new MLM network marketing opportunity that is available in Nigeria and international, as a matter of fact. It's called LiveGood, and what I love about it, there's quite a few different things. Number one is it's changing the network marketing and MLM world. Historically, you have all these programs where you might have to buy on authship an overpriced something or other. CBDs for $80 when you could really just get them for 20 bucks. Who wants that? And you don't want to have to be forced to buy it before you need it, right? So LiveGood has just changed the dynamics, and they have this membership platform like a Costco, like Amazon or Netflix, where you pay for something, a membership, but it gives you tremendous benefits. So with LiveGood, you pay just $9.98 per month, and what it gives you access to wholesale health and wellness products. There's a whole lot of them, tons of them, ranging from CBD cream for pain you may have, CBD oil, vitamins, protein powder, all kinds of things. Super reds, super greens, which help you basically replenish all the nutrients you may not be getting enough of with your diet, etc. But the other reason is it has an amazing business opportunity that I want you to just take a look at. I'll have the information, a tour link down in the description below. Just check it out. It's a 5-minute video. Beyond that, we have an amazing team behind us that actually helps provide promotional materials, etc. I'll invite you to that Telegram group and more if you join LiveGood with me. I'd love to have you. Check out the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to get more information. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.